What if the United States Securities and Exchange Commission approved the first spot Ethereum exchange-traded funds, ETFs, this week? This question is on every trader's mind as they eagerly speculate on the potential gains. But before we dive into the excitement, let's take a step back and see how this decision could have a significant impact on the classification of Ethereum.
If the SEC were to approve the spot Ethereum ETFs, it would be a tacit acknowledgement that all unstaked ETH in circulation is commodities, similar to Bitcoin. This would be a major policy move from the regulator, as they have historically hesitated to classify any asset besides Bitcoin as a commodity. The approval of spot Ethereum ETFs would only make sense as the product will track the price of all unstaked ETH, just like spot Bitcoin ETFs issued by other companies following the regulator's request to direct interested spot ETF issuers to amend their applications. There has been an interesting change. Grayscale, one of the applicants, has continued to classify their shares under the commodity-based trust shares rule, while Fidelity's application explicitly mentions that its ETH will not be staked.
Some of us see this move as a strategic move to satisfy the regulator's potential concerns about securities classification. There are arguments that the SEC has referented to that security according to reference that, which is the SEC conditions on lineage input to a better infrastructure and $57 billion of security under the Howey test criteria. In that case, ETH would be a security and must be registered with the regulator.
However, some say the Howey test is obsolete, considering that Ethereum and digital assets in general are emerging asset classes. Representative Tom Emmer provided clarity on May 21st, stating that ongoing efforts are being made for legal clarity via the Securities Clarity Act. This legislation aims to establish that a token itself does not automatically constitute a security.
And with all of this in mind, it's important to remember that the approval of spot Ethereum ETFs is not a guarantee that ETH will be classified as a commodity. However, if it were to happen, it would be a significant step towards legal clarity for the cryptocurrency industry. So let's keep an eye on the SEC's decision and see what happens next.
And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading. And why don't we let robots make investment decisions? Because they always go for the short-term gain.